Good morning, friends. This is Daya, and now I am going to explain some my personal experience. So I would like to share something myself. I am Mr. Daya. I belong to rural area, and I belong to Chhattisgarh, and I am farmer's son, and I believe God because God is good for everyone. So I believe God, and thanks, especially thanks for God because I am coming here for because of God. So God is good for everyone, and definitely we must believe it. And actually my few friends and my few students who he also request in my personal chat, please sir, please make a video and please impose with on YouTube or something, so that we can improve our English. So what's your secret? And now these days you are talking with everyone, you are talking English very confidently, so what's your secret? So I would like to share something, and definitely you can do everything because I belong to rural area, and there is huge network issue in this area, and mostly people who all are facing such type of activities and such type of problem. So no matter which situation are you facing, but if you want to become, definitely you can. So it's total depends upon your desire. What do you want to become in your life? What do you want to achieve in your life? So definitely one day you can. So actually speaking English, it is also it was also my one goal, and I achieved my goal, and now I am able to speak English confidently with everyone. So thanks for God for giving good environment for speaking, and now these days I am going to talking with foreigner. So really it was a golden opportunity for me, and really it was a very big thing for me. So thanks God, and thanks all my friends who support me, and my some special person who also support with me, like my one principal, Mr. Kamleshwar Prasad Baghel. He is always with me, and he always inspired with me, and he's the one of the best motivator in my life. He always suggests some topic, and he always suggests good thing in my life, and I accept everything. So that without boss we can't do anything, and without goal we can't achieve anything. So goal is very important part in our life. So definitely we must create goal. Without goal our life is goal. So definitely we must create goal. Without goal our life is goal. So thank you so much for watching my videos, and thank you so much my friends, thank you so much my students, and now I am going to share my secret. So first I decided definitely one day I achieve my goal, and definitely one day I will be a fluent English speaker. So that when you decided any such type of thing, so definitely our environment support with you everything, and definitely one day you will be. So it's total depends upon your desire. What do you want to become in your life? What do you want to achieve in your life? Until you become a good example for the society, nobody respects you. So definitely we must care ourselves, and definitely we must modify yourself. Without that we can't do anything. So it is total depends on your desire, and it's total depends on your thinking. So definitely we must create a good atmosphere. No matter which situation are you living, no matter which condition are you living, and no matter which type of family you belong to. So everything is excused in this society, and there are so many examples available on YouTube, and Google, Instagram, and there are so many platform available, and everyone knows without difficulty we can't do anything. So difficulty is also very important part for our life, and without that we can't do anything. So definitely we must accept this true things, and definitely we should try to learn something new, and we should try to learning with everyone, no matter which person is big, which person is small. It depends upon your thinking, your thought, what do you want to do. So I created some activities, and I decided some goal, and um, I am going to trying every day how do we complete our task, how do we complete our activities, and how do we complete our project. So when you think, when you task in your mind, when you thinking about that in your mind, so definitely your mind will be processed. Without command our mind not accept anything. So first you have to command your on your mind. Without that your mind definitely isn't working. So first one, you must decide your goal. After that our mind accept our goal, and automatically its processing was going on. So it's a first thing. And yeah, actually after knowing everything I decided, and I decided definitely one day I will speak English fluently and confidently, and now I am able to speak English confidently. So it is my secret, it is my not secret, because it is my one of the goal. And now I am able to speak English front of mirror. So and you can also achieve this thing, and you can also achieve everything, because if you want to achieve anything, so definitely you can. So it totally depends upon your desire, what do you want to become in your life. So and few months ago I joined a World's course. Really it was amazing. And before joining a World's course I couldn't speak a sentence, I couldn't speak English properly, and I have a lot of grammatical barrier, and I have a lot of bad sentences, and bad grammatical knowledges. But after joining a World's course, really I achieved a lot of things, and I improved a lot of things, and now I am able to speak English confidently. So it's my secret. And my some friends who all are sending some message in my personal chat, please share something about your experience, and please share something about your knowledge, so that we can learn something new. So that I decided definitely I will share my all thought on YouTube platform, so that someone learn some, someone achieve some goal, and someone do something new. So that's why I decided for making videos, and now I am going to impose this video on YouTube, and Instagram also. I have a Facebook account, I have a Instagram account, I have a Telegram account, and I have a lot of account, and there are so many people, and I proud of myself, because now these days I have overall India's my friend, and who all are my friend. Despite knowing everything, I joined a World's online class, because you know very well, and everyone knows very well, there is huge network issue in my area. But despite knowing everything, I joined a World's course, and I decided definitely one day I will achieve my goal, and now I am going to speak English a little bit good. So really I proud myself, and I proud for my all teams, because who all are going to very well now these days. And mostly thanks Kanika ma'am. Actually Kanika ma'am, she when I joined Awal's course, so first meeting it was for Kanika ma'am. And when I joined Awal's team, and after that I joined Instagram account, and that time Kanika ma'am send me some message, please Daya, please send some voice message, so that you can improve earlier, you can improve quickly. So after some time I feel like suffocated for a while speaking. But after some time, because it totally depends on environment, which type of environment do you have. So I accept Kanika ma'am's all thought, and I accept Kanika ma'am's all rules and regulation. After that I send some little bit small sentences, and after some time I got it. Really, I am going to frame big sentences without any grammatical barrier and without any grammatical knowledge. So grammar is not important for your fluency. Grammar is really not important for your fluency. If you want to speak in English, so definitely you must practice every day. Practice is key for fluency. Practice is key for improvement. Practice is key for our achievement. So definitely you must practice and practice. Without practice we can't do anything. So practice is a very important part in our life. So it's not only a English fluency. If you want to achieve any goal, and if you want to achieve mm, uh, any goal, so if you want to definitely you have create some good atmosphere, and definitely you should try to speak more. After that definitely you can achieve your everything. So it's secret, it's not secret, I think you know very well. uh, Hard working is very important for our life. Without that we can't do anything. And writing practice, it is also very necessary for our fluency. When we create new sentences, it's also very important for our fluency, and it was memorable for a long time. When you write any particular sentence, and when you create your own sentences, so really after some time you can talk every and each person, and you can share everything which written in your personal diary. So uh, and I have some another thought. If you want to achieve your goal, so definitely you must practice every day. Without practice we can't do anything. So practice is key for everything. So I think it's enough for today, and I will share some new topic on my new video. So thank you so much, and thank you so much for listening my video clip. And mm, God grace is always with me, and your blessing is always with me. So definitely I will try to do something new every and each moment, because I am enthusiastic about learning something new every and each moment. I am a person, and actually due to pandemic, really it was wonderful for me. I learned a lot of things, and I joined a lot of online classes, and I learned a lot of things, and I enjoyed with my family a long time. So really due to pandemic it was wonderful for me. So thanks God, and thank you so much for everyone. Thank you so much for listening my video clip. Thanks a lot.